to fix Spotify not playing songs or music. So if you want to fix your Spotify not playing songs or music, then what you need to do is you just need simply first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So what you need to do is fix this problem. You need to open up your Spotify at first, go with the top left, which has a profile section, and then tap on settings and privacy. And here you just need simply scroll down, and under data saving and offline, you will have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and then tap on it clear cache again. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back, open up your device settings. Under your device settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps. And here you need to search for Spotify. Tap on it. And then go with clear data, which is on the bottom right. And then clear your cache. And tap on OK. After clearing your cache, you can go with app permissions. And under your app permissions, you need to make sure that you allowed all of your permissions, because if you've not allowed any permissions, then you may not be able to play your songs or music. So make sure that you allowed microphone, music and audio. And after allowing the permissions, you can just simply go and restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.